Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy. Well, not your boy, but yeah, kinda your boy. Today we are doing an unboxing. Well, not really. Just an opening of 2 Kinder Joys and 2 Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare. So we're gonna mix them up. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the Kinder Joys first. So let's see this. So okay, so that's the spoon for the chocolate. So here is the toy. Let's empty it out and see what the heck is this? Looks gay. Oh, it's a crayon frog thing. I don't know what this is. Anyway, yeah, that's what that is. Let's make the viewers jealous and show them the chocolate. Oh. And I'm gonna eat it in front of you, too.
Hey, look at this. It's a little duck.
Ooh, wish you were me, didn't you?
Alright, let me eat the chocolate in front of you guys. No, I'm not gonna do it on camera because I'm nice.
This shows me how much of a fatty I am.
You're not fat, Jacob.
Dan Royale would say otherwise. Some idiot. So, Tyler got a chicken crayon thing. Oh, yours does not have a crayon in it.
Yeah, mine's not a crayon. It's chicken.
Mine's a weird frog thingy with a crayon.
Oh, which one do you like?
Okay, so Tyler, you can go ahead and take the Plants vs Zombies. So I'll go ahead and pour my pieces out and see who this is. Oh, so this is the pea shooter. Looks like this one will be going to Tyler. But first, don't pour your pieces out yet. Okay, so don't do anything. Okay, so we're gonna put pea shooter body, pea shooter head. Crap.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Okay, so let's try and snap this head on. There we go. Crap. I'm aware. Oh wait, is it like this? Oh no, it's that way. Okay, so heck did his arms go? Wait, so there's one of his arms.
Wait, no, there's a piece.
That's a ball, stupid.
There's 2 balls. That's neat.
I cannot seem to get this stem to stay on. Maybe it. Oh, there it is. So, there we go. And then we'll put the pea in his mouth. So there's the pea shooter. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour this one out. See who this is. Oh, and we have kernel corn. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's put kernel corn together. I personally think corn is gross. Yeah, the character in the game is cool.
He's like, I would say that strongest character in the game.
Well, I'd say he's about the second strongest.
Guys, I'm talking about the plants.
Oh, the plants, yeah, definitely.
Except I still love him. I want to be my fire people.
Yeah, because he has an obsession with the fire pea shooter.
It's a super rare, so. Ha.
Okay.
Also, I opened a free by checking that 20,000
That's nice. Okay, so our next video will be a live stream on Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2.
Yeah, if you think I'm addicted. How do you get
That's the main reason why we're doing it. Because he's addicted to it, but and because haven't had a gaming video in a while. Since January 9th, no, January 20th, my birthday.
Yeah, you made a stream on there. Very good.
There we go. There's kernel corn and pea shooter. So that's cool.
And I want your frog. You can have
So
this guy.
let's see all the characters you could have gotten. So you could have gotten Super Brains, the stupid rose thing. Wow, that is not.
The rose isn't actually
The
that
citrus fruit guy, the imp, my favorite character in the game.
bad.
The pirate zombie, and the soldier zombie. So that's cool. So anyway, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.